What is up, guys? Thanks for clicking on the video. Today I'm going to be installing vinyl wrap on my mirror caps. I want to give a quick shout out to my boy because he's the one who actually gave this to me. I'm going to put his Instagram in the description below, so if you guys want to give him a follow, he posts like every day and it's always car content. If it's not other cars, it's his G35, which he just put some Enkis on it and it's looking pretty fucking sweet right now. Yeah, so let's go ahead and get those mirror caps off. And you have to be careful because when you're taking these things off, they can just pop off or fly off, and that's what happened to me, and it damaged the actual mirror cap in the sense of it getting like scratched up and the paint like flaking off of it. All right, to take off the mirror caps, you're gonna need plastic tools. You're not gonna want to use regular tools, so I suggest getting plastic ones. So you're gonna want to take one of the tools. Alright guys, I just remembered as I'm cleaning up that I didn't make an outro, so I just want to make one real quick. I am waiting for another lift to come in the mail. It should be here Saturday, and if you have any questions about this or anything else, just drop a comment below and I will answer it as quickly as I can. My main Instagram account is currently down. I'm not 100% positive of what's going on with it. I think it got hacked. I'm not entirely sure, but I do have another Instagram account you can hit me up at. I'll put the link for that in the description below. Other than that, I just want to say I appreciate all you guys. I appreciate all the support, and yeah, see you next video.